What is going on, YouTube? It is CHOPPOTAYY back with another video. I know y'all have not seen my face in a little minute. It's been a long time in the making, man. It's been a long time in the making. As y'all can see, I got a little different setup in the background. Gonna be rocking it out here temporarily, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all ain't seen my face in a little minute, bro. It's been almost 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, something like that, you feel what I'm saying? But I'm back and better than ever, bruh. I know y'all see that 1K subs is on the new channel, you feel what I'm saying? 1K subs. All I can do is thank y'all, bro. I wouldn't be here without y'all, you feel what I'm saying? And we just one step closer. Next thing is 2K. So I'm gonna need as much help as I could get from y'all, and we can get at 2K, you feel what I'm saying? Like the video, interact with it, comment, and let me know how y'all doing down in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? I need the interaction, it helps me. Make sure y'all watch this full video too, because y'all gonna want to know what I got the sauce for y'all boys, you feel what I'm saying? So as y'all can see from the title and the thumbnail, I got some sauce for y'all boys. So look, y'all want subscribers, y'all want watch hours, because that's what y'all need to get monetized, right? So I'm finna give y'all the sauce on how to get there. I just hit 1K subscribers, so I think my advice could help somebody out there that's struggling and really could use it, because just a few months ago, bro, I was struggling, I promise you. So look, bro, I'm gonna just get straight into it. I ain't even gonna waste too much time. I done spent 2 minutes chatting and shit. Like, I ain't gonna waste too much time. So look, first thing you gonna want to do, and I'm saying this off the dome, so if it's something I forget, I'ma add it. My fault, I had to let my cat out. But look, first thing you gonna want to do, make your channel look professional as possible, which means make sure you got a good profile picture. That doesn't really matter, but make sure you got a good banner, most specifically. So when somebody clicks on your channel, they're like, oh, okay, he legit, he taking it serious. People see you taking something serious, they gonna either invest in it or support you in it somehow, you feel what I'm saying? That's tip number one. Make sure your channel is looking professional. Make sure your bio got something that's going to intrigue people, you feel what I'm saying? Like, road to 2K is mine. It's pretty basic, but it's a goal. So people know I got a goal, so they gonna want to like tap into that. People be more interested in other people than they is themselves, if that makes sense. I think that's why it's a lot of people that does YouTube. No, it's a lot of people that doesn't do YouTube, but they watch a lot of YouTube. You know, does that make sense? Yeah, man, just make your channel look as serious as possible. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you find an editor that can do things like that for you, like somebody that makes banners and does all that. If you need help, DM me personally at CHOPPOTAYY, and I will send you some people that I know that's helped me out. So if y'all need help with any of that stuff, thumbnails, banners, intros, outros, editors, I got all those connections. So make sure y'all hit my DM and I can get y'all hooked up, you feel what I'm saying? So it's real cheap just to make your channel look as professional as possible. And these little dollars, these are little investments that matter. It's the little things that matter. So these little dollars that you're spending on your channel, those are little investments that you're gonna have to make. Those are little sacrifices that you're gonna have to make, you know what I'm saying? Just to get your career up enough, you're gonna have to make those sacrifices. You're gonna have to invest into it. That's why I bought 2 cameras. That's why I got a computer, just so I can edit, you feel what I'm saying? That's why I got those things. Yeah, you're just gonna have to invest in yourself and make your channel look good as possible. Okay, number 2 is a big one. You need to be consistent as possible. Your consistency might not be somebody else's consistency. What I'm telling you is consistency. What I'm saying is you need to be posting at least 3 times a week. At least. That's the bare minimum. At least 3 to 4 times a week. If you want to get seen and be in the algorithm and be in YouTube's recommended list, you need to be posting consistently, day and night. If y'all don't know, I have a reaction channel. I post there 3-4 times at a time when I do post, and it's like every week. So that's 4 videos a week right there, you feel what I'm saying? Like, you need to be consistent, and you'll see the numbers progressing. You just need to be consistent. Every day on this channel, I used to post every single day to get to 1,000, bro. I used to post every single day, and these was actual videos. Like, some of them was just some vlogs and stuff, but them vlogs was edited. Like, That's another thing. We gonna get to that. But these vlogs was like edited and stuff. Like I put my work into them vlogs. Like I make cuts throughout it. Like it's not just no regular stuff. So you need to make sure that you're being consistent as possible, and you'll see, like, you'll get into the algorithm of YouTube and they'll start fucking with you. That's how YouTube works. Step 3, like I had said in just a few minutes ago, editing. So you need to make sure like your editing is like fast paced. So a lot of this that I'm recording is gonna be longer than it is. Like it's gonna be longer than the video that I uploaded is, but I made cuts throughout this video. So you need to have like fast paced video is gonna keep attention to your video, and it's gonna make your watch hours go up because people gonna be invested into the whole video because you fast paced with it. Now if your video is slow and it's uncut, you don't want to edit, then I have some editors I can send you. Like I'm saying, hit my DM. It should be either right here or right here, either one of those. But make sure you hit my DM and I got you. I'll send you some editors. That's all I gotta do, bro. Contact me. I interact with y'all. I'm not Hollywood, so just get at me and I got y'all. But yeah, make sure your editing is fast paced, and make sure it's intriguing. Like make sure you got like, if it can have funny memes into it, make sure you add those memes. It's the little things like that that's gonna take you a long way, because you need 4,000. It seems like a lot, but if you keep your audience intrigued the whole time, those watch hours are gonna go up because people are gonna be watching your videos longer. Your duration of your video is gonna be longer. So make sure make sure you really cut up little like either pauses, or if you got up like me and went to go do something, make sure you cut that out. Just little stuff like that. You feel what I'm saying? It's gonna mean, them little things gonna mean a big difference. So number 4, you're gonna want to make sure when you posting your videos, make sure the thumbnail is not basic. Like if it's just the default thumbnail that YouTube gives you, that's not gonna get a lot of clicks, if that makes sense, because it's not intriguing to the audience. You can't really do that until your quality is like upgraded and you're on like the Shea Frost or DDG type level where you can post things like that. You know what I'm saying? And make sure your titles are good too. I use all caps, me personally. You could put half caps, you could put half lowercase. Just make sure the title is intriguing. If you have to clickbait a little, why not? Clickbait a little. I mean, you know what I'm saying? I've done it bad, but it's also been some good titles like I've also did though, with that go along with the video and the thumbnail. So if you could get your thumbnail on point, like I said, DM me and I got you. If you get your thumbnail on point, people is going to be attracted to that. You know what I'm saying? When you post in your story, people gonna want to click that. You know what I'm saying? A little interesting. Yeah, just make sure your thumbnail makes sense. Like make sure the punctuation is good in your thumbnail. You can add emojis, make sure that's intriguing. Just make sure it's attracting to an audience. You feel what I'm saying? Like make sure it's those little things like I'm telling you. Like, but number 5, make sure that your videos have like some length to it. Like if it's not a YouTube short, it's no reason it should be less than 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's no reason your video should be that short. So make sure your videos are at least, I say at least 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, because that's where you'll get monetized at. So if you got 8 minutes on the video, you could get monetized like that, because that's the requirement. So if you start right there and you just keep going up, so let's say 15, then you make your video 15 minutes long, I mean, and you make it consistently like enjoyable to watch, people are gonna watch those 15 minutes, and that's so many watch hours right there. Like that's like, I don't know how much that is, but that's a lot. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, just make sure your video is entertaining as much as possible. Make sure people are gonna want to like tap into another video when you post, because you want to make an impression on every video. That's a big thing. You want to make an impression on every video. You want to make sure you're doing what you got to do as far as like what to make the channel. Like, you want to make that channel pop. Like, you want to be known for something. So I'm gonna tell y'all one more thing too. This gonna be like number 6 or whatever. Make sure y'all got a niche. If y'all don't know what a niche is, it's like, so some people cook on YouTube, some people vlog on YouTube, some people game. Make sure y'all stick to something, because you're gonna attract the audience better that way, and you're gonna gain followers better that way. And that's something I could have done better. No, I do have I don't know, I just like show a lot of variety. How I could do a variety of things. Like, I'm versatile with, I could vlog, I could do reactions, I could host blind dates, you know what I'm saying? Like, I could do public interviews. Like, that's all my like channel is like based around. You feel what I'm saying? But I want to do, I'm trying to go into different content right now. As far as like developing, I want to get into like a Gideon or Canal Joseph type content. That's the content I originally want to make for y'all. I'm saving up for my camera right now so I can get that and produce that for y'all. But until then, I'm gonna be dropping these bangers and I'm back on my shit. But that's besides the point though. But yeah, man, and I'm gonna tell y'all one more other thing. I'm gonna tell y'all one more thing. This is gonna be step 7 of what you need to gain 1,000 followers. It's this easy, bro. How I gain 1,000 followers this easily, bro, is by YouTube Shorts. Post YouTube Shorts constantly. Like, I'm not gonna give y'all sauce on when I post mine. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you gotta be lucky. I'm telling you this, bro. YouTube Shorts is gonna get you out there. Like, you gonna gain followers like that, bro. I went from 400 followers 2 months ago. 2 months ago. It was like 2 months ago. 2 months solid. 400. 2.5, something like that. But yeah, bro. I was just at 800. I was at 830, 850, something like that. It was like 850. It was like 2 weeks ago. I was at 850 2 weeks ago, bro. And then I got 1,051 more subscribers. And we here now. So, currently we at 1.2. Appreciate y'all for tapping in. I appreciate y'all for watching the video if y'all made it this far. Drop a like if y'all haven't already. Subscribe to the channel, you feel what I'm saying? On the road to 2K. Yes, sir. 2K on the way. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. Like I said, if y'all want another banger like this, let me know down in the comment section. Let me know what else I should do. Follow me on Instagram. And I'm out, bro.